What is a focus-boosting daily routine?
A focus-boosting daily routine is a structured schedule designed to help you concentrate, avoid distractions, and get into productive flow states. It involves planning your day with intention, selecting the right activities, and taking regular breaks. By following such a routine, you can work more efficiently, feel less overwhelmed, and make steady progress toward your goals.
When should you schedule your most demanding tasks?
Research suggests your mental energy is highest in the morning or after restful breaks. Schedule your most demanding tasks, such as deep work, creative projects, or problem solving, during these peak focus periods. By placing challenging activities when your mind is freshest, you're more likely to stay engaged and complete them efficiently.
How can breaks enhance focus?
Short, regular breaks help maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique involve working for 25 minutes, then taking a short break. Get up, stretch, or look away from your device to recharge. Incorporating breaks into your daily routine keeps your mind sharp and improves long-term productivity.
What are effective strategies to minimize distractions?
Identify and eliminate common distractions, such as checking your phone or multitasking. Use tools like Do Not Disturb modes, website blockers, and noise-canceling headphones. Set specific times to check messages and emails, and let others know your focus periods. These steps help create an environment where you can concentrate fully on your tasks.
How can evening habits set you up for focus tomorrow?
Evening routines are key for next-day focus. Take time to plan your priorities for tomorrow and prep your workspace. Limit screen time before bed. Relax with reading or meditation, and aim for sufficient sleep. Quality rest and gentle wind-down habits boost attention, making it easier to start your next day focused and energized.